Hi, this is Cindy, and I'm going to show you how to easily import a planner page or any page into the GoodNotes app. So I've already opened up the GoodNotes app on my iPad Pro. GoodNotes also works on the regular iPads. So you can see up in the left-hand side at the top, there is a plus sign. So you just hit plus, and you can either create a notebook or you can import. And we're just going to hit import. And then you're just going to find wherever you've placed your calendar pages. You can put them in your camera roll, Dropbox, Google Drive, your iCloud Drive if you have that. So I'm just going to choose Dropbox because I find that that's the easiest place for me to keep things. And I have a little folder in there. You just choose your document. There it is. So that's just a JPEG. You can upload JPEGs, PNG files, and PDFs. There might be a few others that you can too, but those are the three main ones that digital planners and scrapbookers use. So we've got our planner page into GoodNotes. And this is one of my Color Your World JPEG planner pages, and it's blank so that you can add your own details. So now we're going to add text. So you're just going to put your finger on the iPad screen and hold it down, and you'll see that it pops up with these different options. So you just hit text, and then you can choose the font. Here, this middle bar, you can choose the font. I'm just going to leave it on Helvetica. You can choose the size of the font, if it's bold or italicized, the style, you can choose the color. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing. Obviously you can see this box is not the right size, so you're just going to drag out one of the handles either on the right or left side, and then you just touch somewhere in the text box to move it around on your page. And then you just drop down the keyboard, and there you go. So up here in the middle of at the middle top of your screen, if you haven't played in GoodNotes, you'll see that you've got a pencil icon or a pen, and I'm just going to hit that and choose black. You can also choose other colors by hitting custom, and you can also play with the size. Then you go back to presets. Here's the thickness of the line. You can choose a ballpoint pen or a fountain pen. The ballpoint pen is going to be a more consistent width. And I'm not going to get too much into all of this because I'm going to do some more tutorials. I just wanted to keep them on the shorter side so that there's not so much to digest. So anyway, I'm just choosing the black pen. And I thought it would be fun to show you a quick way to add the dates, or like a little circle to put under the dates. So I'm going to choose the highlighter, and then you can just choose a color. You can either with your presets or choose a custom color. And I've chosen the biggest size of the circle for the highlighter. Okay, so the highlighter, if you just tap it on the screen where you want the dots to go for your dates. And in the next video, I'll probably go over how you can move these around. GoodNotes is a little different than Photoshop and even Procreate, which I'm going to be doing some tutorials on that too. It's a little different, but I really like this app for digital planning. I just find it works really well, and it's more geared, I think, for that type of thing, and also note-taking. So Procreate's great, but I feel like it's much better for digital scrapbooking than digital planning. But anyway, that's my opinion. So if you want to add numbers, then of course you just choose your pen tool, do white, and then I just, that's not a very thick line. And then just start adding your numbers. I'm not really caring how good these look right now. But anyway, that's how you could do that. And then you just start adding in what's going on. going to be really messy, so don't pay attention to that. But anyway. So super easy and fun. And you would just continue to add more pages. So if you wanted to add another page, you just hit the plus sign. If you want to add a page, import above or import below. Basically, import above is adding something before and below is after. Again, I'm going to do Dropbox, go to my planner. Voila. I have my other page. Now, obviously, I did these backwards, and this is just the month. Then you could add your weekly pages. I hope it showed you how easy it is to import JPEGs and PNGs and also PDFs into the GoodNotes app. It's fairly simple. It's a fun app. We've just touched on the tip of the iceberg. I think we'll have a lot of fun with our digital planning, and I'll see you next time.